bando, I'm chillin'. But hot as a candle, a pump fat with a camo. I swear, ass son, you can't handle. Strangers look at the team and say we gators like Tebow, cause we big, bigger than the usuals. Niggas hate, but it's all good though. You ain't shit like a free throw. She pop like Mentos, make rappers bleed like menstruals. Psychos, my flow, it goes psycho. Bragging on my own shit, talk shit and back it up, trick. Duck ass weak niggas cracking, suck ass fool niggas acting. I ain't with that foolish you talking about. That hating, I see it in your mouth. Take you out, that's how we do it in the South. Southside forever and I'm proud. We get loud and we tryna break shit down. Ask your girl, she scream joy team. Hit the balls, I'm bout green. Give it dig, she fiend. Just a dark rainbow tryna brighten this thing. And people leave my life quick like a drunk ass fling. Money to my front door, that shit scream ding. A ling is what I give her and she take it in. Hit this is hard, it can speak to me then. Shawty, you naughty, I see it within. You bite in your lips, baby, do it again. Whoa, ain't that shit hitting? My flow get her wet, leaking. I ask one question, broke niggas while you speaking. Suck it up, she love it, bruh. Put it on her like a G, no Master P, but she like, nah. Can I get it? Yeah. Can I keep it? Nah. Ain't doing this raw either. See, I ain't sweating this rap shit. I got it. I'm a believer. And I think that's why Lil' Mama stay faithful. Cause Lord knows my mind is a handful. But Lord knows that handful holds value. Class futuristic playing, she turns up the volume. And she listens to me talk and bark like a dog. If I'm pissed off, I get hot as piss, bruh. Scream. Take off your bra, let me see what's under. Damn, I'm bipolar. Don't ask questions cause she know I'm a candle. Hot as a candle. Fashionista, Doc Martens parting him for stepping on ya. Dreams like Dr. Martin, why you tryna be a shooter? When everybody else starting to see that I got power. Like Kamehameha, that was a joke, haha. My favorite rapper is moi. That wasn't a kiss, that was a diss to y'all. I'm in my area and soon I'm coming to your area. Like nigga, what's up? Give a few more lines, fishing for fishies, we'll leap our lines. Wrote this last verse hoping that I would go in this time. Dissing myself for more attention, or was I just acting like I don't know I'm gold for a better prize? Do you even get my lines? If you do, you cool. If not, you just definitely know I'm hot. Cause you can't even comprehend to say I'm not. Twisting ears and nods, it's the Cyclops. Got more sight when I'm on the lookout for your girl's bop. And I don't stop, and I won't. Besides, how you gonna stop the person that invented go? I'm hot as a candle, hot as a candle. Hot as a candle, I'm hot as a candle. Get me from any angle, hot as a candle.